Oh.
Oh, oh my gosh.
I'm about to rip him, okay?
No! Wait, I got him. I'm mad. Dude, it feels like a bass. Oh, no, it's not a bass. Oh. Oh! Dude. Dude. Dude, look at his jaw.
Is he washed off?
Yeah.
Bro.
Dude, it looks like a giant.
That's
like
sick.
that.
Bro, he's not even, he's standing still, but he's gonna start ripping. You can have it. There he is.
It's not that big. Oh, yeah, never mind.
Dude, never say that.
Dude, it didn't even feel big.
Never say it doesn't feel big.
Oh, dude, it's...
You got Reagan?
I don't even know. It pulls every time it gets up close. Oh,
Don't
it's a
pull the
pike.
line too hard. You gotta finesse his head in there.
Dude, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
pike. Dude, I felt like putting my hand down there, but it went right in his mouth. I've been bit by too many big fish. There he is. Oh, for gills.
Oh, shoot. No,
Is he off?
no,
Dude.
no, it's still on.
Dude, I should just yanked him out. Oh, no,
Oh, shoot. Dang
I
it.
should just yanked him out. Dude, my hand was in his gill.
Oh, that's fierce. That's fierce. Oh, dude, it's big. It's big. Right, if you, it's line. Show my cameras at 30%. Dude, it's big. Do you have your phone? So I can take a picture. Okay. Dude, it's giant. Oh my god. Oh, it's not even that big. What? What the heck is that? It's got a wart. That's like the same fish I caught.
That thing zoomed past so fast, it looked like short or like small.
His head was up the hole.
Dude, the head is giant. The rest of the... Oh,
Dude, he's fat as crap, dude.
can you get him?
Dude, he's so fat. Dude. Dude. Dude! Oh my
Holy crap.
god! Bro, this is like fat as crap.